I'm Kevin Wessels from Studio Fix, and I'm going to help you to make your presentation more impactful. When giving a presentation or explaining a complex idea and people tend to lose you in your story, it's time to sketch out your story by using simple sketches and metaphors. This will help you to create one shared view of the topic and a joyful and effective dialogue. With the use of metaphors, it's possible to bring alive abstract principles and add emotion to get your story felt and followed. You could use metaphors to create a route with different hurdles that visualizes the obstacles that must be overcome to reach a goal. Or create metaphors about keeping your feet on the ground with your head up in the clouds. See and be dreaming. Be creative with it. The opportunities are endless. With the use of these simple sketches, you will inspire interaction and will create a joyful and effective meeting.